You freshened up the paint, added new fixtures and decor. Why not transform your tired heater bath fan with a sleek fan cover with selectable CCT lights? NuTone's heater fan light upgrade cover is the first and only heat fan upgrade on the market. The bright white finish matches most ceiling colors. Dimmable LEDs replace those old bulbs. Select warm white, bright white, or daylight illumination. No drywall cutting and no wiring. Remove the lens. Unscrew the acorn nut. Remove the reflector. Unplug the old grille. Select the LED color on your upgrade. Extend the mounting screw fully. Plug in. Orientate the LED driver on the light cover toward the fan side and push up. Hand tighten the mounting post until secure. Snap in the lens. And all in just 10 minutes or less.